It's missing everything. What do you mean? You made it sound like this thing is almost ready to rip. You pop the bonnet and half the fucking car's gone. Oh, you dickhead. Right, now we're talking.
New rig, mate.
We got this delivered the other day. And apparently we're going to fix it. Good look.
Have a look, eh? It doesn't need much.
What do you mean, cunt?
Oh, she's a bit how you going? A few years old.
Oh, that's rank.
She'll be right.
Check.
Battery on her.
Check the oil, mate.
See what we can do. See if we can get it turning over.
There's no way that's going to work. Oh, what?
No, back to the ignition barrel.
Oh, what? It's been chopped off? Oh, so the spark plugs in it.
And the black bit's going to turn. Oh, look, someone's already made a home little...
Oh, look at that.
Someone's made...
That's beautiful, mate. That'll work.
That's cool, does.
Well, you probably want some light. There we go. Show us your magic.
What the fuck's going on here?
You even know what you're doing.
It's been a few
You
years.
fucking rookie.
There we go.
You used to go to sleep dreaming about VTs,
Ah, please. We'll start putting this thing back together.
Yeah, what? Summon that screws rig, you reckon? Tough street, brother.
Well, we've got no power at all.
That doesn't surprise me.
It's missing a lot of fuses in here.
I reckon we call the quits on this. That's gangster.
I've got some fuses in it and see what happens.
It's not going to run.
Let's stop being so negative.
It won't run. It's missing everything. What do you mean? You made it sound like this thing is almost ready to rip. You pop the bonnet and half the fucking car's gone.
There's relays.
Here he's working on this piece of shit. Look at his ute over there.
Oh, I can't.
You're going backwards, mate.
Fuck that. Fuck that shit.
This is where it's at,
This is fun.
This is part of the boys, this
Missing
rig.
fuses up here too. Fuck.
Yeah, missing fuses everywhere.
Hey.
Wait, what? What?
Hey.
Oh, I heard something. Yeah,
Hey.
bud.
Well, I'll tell you we've got power up here. We've got power up here now. Give me another wire.
We're going the right direction. Where's your wire at? It's been a while. Yeah, you like this shit. They good enough or what? It's a wire.
The fuck, cunt? What the? Look, we've got full power up here.
On everything, you reckon?
Yep, on every fucking... Look, put it in the back and make sure. Power. No power. Power. Oh, well, for starters, that's plugged into nothing.
Hey, watch out!
Hey, boy.
Oh, let's go road tripping.
Got the mobiliser still going.
Don't worry about that.
We need a male. Shut up.
Has she got fuel or what?
Oh, she got quarter tank.
Oh, no
Gonna
way.
Probably have to pull out the fuel relay. We'll see what spits out of her. But
Yeah.
another I want another
Yeah, get it down.
2 males.
I knew it. I knew prison changed you.
We'll just see if it turns over first.
Yeah, it's probably locked up. Like that van. You got a van the other day and it's locked up solid.
Well, the
Clean
deal
as.
was
Yeah.
I wanted the van, but I had to take this piece of shit.
Don't you like that?
And they told me the van ran. The van didn't even run.
Yeah, locked up solid. We were going to get a video on that, but that was a waste of time.
So now it's fucking...
It's this one, eh?
VT. The VN's pretty clean though. So we're going black to red.
Yeah, red to black, black to red.
Same shit.
See how it works,
Oh,
isn't it?
get off, you cunt. Yeah, ready? Give it a crank.
No way this thing turns over.
Oh. Nothing.
Nothing, no.
Why?
I'll make sure the starter's connected, eh? As soon as everything else is gone. Yeah, it's got a starter. I'm looking at it. It looks like it's connected. Oh, I can give it a go. Oh, don't give it that fucking privilege. What do you mean?
Was a wire on? Hey, look at this cunt. It's got a spider in here.
Oh, look at
Shit. Look at that cunt.
that. She ain't getting shit. She flat, mate? It's either flat or it's locked up. Did you drop your guts or what?
Nah.
Fuck off, you didn't.
I swear. Hit you fuckhead.
Jesus Christ.
Probably something dead in the car, cunt. Some mouse, dead mouse, stuck in the starter. So that's our starter, that's why we weren't starting. Moment of truth, eh?
I reckon we should put a...
Nothing. I
You're not even the starter, yeah. Hey. That's not a good sign, is it? It's going flat, mate.
I'll have to,
I reckon we should...
her over by hand.
Yeah, that's what I reckon.
Probably fucking see.
Well, I reckon it is. It sounds that way.
I didn't want to have to do this. What size?
I think they're 24. Was it right or what?
Yeah, on the dot.
Yeah, look out.
24, bro. You know
I
your
know the
V10s. Big acre, take care.
Yeah, that's right, mate. Horsepower right here.
What do you reckon?
That's locked up, 100%. Oh, that sounded nice.
She's tight, but fucking
That's
turned.
spins.
Like to dump up this cunt.
Shit in it. Lube up a bit. Oh, go backwards.
Hold on. No,
Oh, no, she's good.
couple of cranks by hand.
Yeah, look at that.
Doing it. Oh no.
You probably got it on the compression, mate. Oh,
Oh, look at that.
where is the compression? Does it have compression or no?
Yeah, but she got compression. I'll start this cunt by hand.
You reckon it's got compression?
Oh yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Look at that.
That sounds pretty nice, eh?
Let's go.
Only covered in fuel sand now. Oh. The balance is crooked. Or am I saying shit? It smells good. It smells good. No fuel? No fuel.
I'm just getting the.
You getting it lubed up?
Do you want me to put a battery in it?
Yeah, well, cranks.
I'll steal the battery out of the Golf.
Have a golf.
I'll bring the Golf in. It's dropping training oil or something. Yeah, we're dropping training oil.
Oh, well, there's some in it then. Oh, yeah, nice. Boy, that's pretty clean too, eh?
We need to save the oil.
Oh, that's a good point. Bucket. Where's the bucket?
Fuck.
I didn't think that one through, did you?
We're going to get a quick wipe out.
No, you're right. It's a 4L60, mate. They're bulletproof.
Right.
You should know that.
Got mud on it.
As if you're going to want it. You care about this car, eh?
Yeah.
You're already attached to it.
I can see it's going to run.
Yeah, safe, mate. This bloke's like the broke whistling diesel, eh?
Yeah, but
Have you seen that bloke? You're going to let me drop a Merc on your house or what?
what now?
That doesn't fit, you fuckwit.
Now what?
Well, stop leaking, so don't worry about it.
Well, I've got no idea. You go get the spark plug leads,
Off what car?
the VN.
Yep. You only want 4 because she's 4-cylinder?
Yeah, just get what you can get.
Yeah. Roger.
I'll bring in the battery. I'll try and put a terminal on here.
And then we turbo it.
So I reckon I found a terminal in one of these buckets the other day.
I'll go round up some parts then, eh? What a gem. Oh, tough. Mickey.
Flash.
Spark plugs, gotta put them on, leads, whatever.
Then we get the fuel pump buzzing away.
Fuel pump, that's right. We're not getting any fuel. The fuel that's been in there for 15 years.
See if it spits out the rail.
I hope this relay works. Oh, the fuel pump relay is missing. Whoa, 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 whoa!
What?
There she works, mate.
Fuel?
Yeah, fuel.
Huh?
Huh? There's pink. There's pink. This thing might run. Oh, paddock, is it, fuck? Oh no, it's just old.
Ready to run on that? It smells.
Oh,
Got a lighter?
that's all, that won't even light. Have a whiff, mate. Come on.
Got a lighter?
What, you reckon a light?
Have a look.
Hey, we're running. We're going cruising tonight.
Run, eh?
Yeah, that'll run. Oh, hang on, you're still missing some spark plug leads. Wait a minute. What? There's only two. There's only two connected. Oh, I think this one goes down here somewhere. Oh, it's touching me. This one should go here. Hopefully these videos turn out alright, eh?
When the jack done in found this bitch that low.
Yeah, it's low as, bro.
I'm so fucking low in the front.
The sports pack, mate.
Are they fucking serious?
Go on, go on. There you go. You know how to use one of them?
Been a while. Oh, what's this shit? 2 years it doesn't work.
Yep. All for a fucking ecotech.
Got two hoists there in the fucking jack. Come on. Using a jack. Going on. No, surely get it under there. You're on.
Yeah, mate.
Straighten the bucket, yeah?
Yeah, it should be right.
Like that.
Watch this thing rip. Maybe.
Obviously not enough power.
Oh, jump track, eh?
I still don't reckon it'll be enough power.
Nah, faith, mate. Oh, no way. So the batteries in this is dead. The jump track's dead.
Everything's fucked.
Don't know if the camera can see it or not. We haven't had much luck. We pushed it out, we're fucked. We're not pushing it no more. So he said, put the chain around the spoiler. I don't know if it's going to work or not. I don't think it's going to work. Oh shit, don't scratch it. Oh, you fuckwit.
Fucking serious?
No way. I'm not pushing, cunt. That ain't gonna do shit. Didn't even move. Go on. Oh, you dickhead. Oh, we're in the pillar now, eh? Yeah, there we go.
Yeah.
If you do anything stupid, cunt, look at this shit. This thing ain't got no driver's seat in it. This bloke's known to tow people around his paddock. Oh, shit. Fuck me. Oh, the window. Oh, something's in my ass. Oh, what a stitch up. I can't sit down. Where is it going? This is a fucking disaster. This cunt, I swear to God. There's no way this cunt is pulling me backwards around his paddock. He's actually not. Fuck, I'm surprised. Look at this. Feed the Commodore. Yeah, mate, hit it. Hey. So nothing's worked. And now he's going to pull the battery out of his missus' car. Look at this. It just doesn't stop this bloke. Oh, nice badge. Just does not give up. Oh, bit of a dose. Not bad, mate, not bad. Nice badge. So we're fucking around before. Turns out all the plugs were finger tight. But they were brand new. So that's where we're at. New battery. Fine again. What'd you find? Yeah.
What that
Well, let's go and get that going. Another day. Sounds like a bit of heat on the car. She runs, mate. Yeah, we're done.
Fuel filter tomorrow.
Yeah, I think we need a fuel filter. She fired up though, that's a start. Get a radiator. Some oils. What else we need? Oh, that's right, no exhaust, gotta fix that shit. That's it. We're done, back tomorrow, hopefully. Maybe next week, don't know. Oh, we're going one more time. Oh, come on. He can't stop this bloke. Oh. Yeah, probably a good idea, right? She runs, mate. Like we didn't end it. Well, it ran.
Doesn't run by itself now. I don't even need a fuel filter.
No, I don't think it does. I reckon a new hose there and we'll be fucking home sweet. We'll be road tripping tomorrow. What do you reckon, tomorrow or next weekend?
Oh yeah, Shane's gone up here.
Oh
I
yeah.
thought I'd seen him down out. Probably next weekend.
Yeah, next weekend. Alright, we'll get back to it then. Alright?
Pick up another free ship off, eh?
Another one. We've got too many.
Might be able to get 2 goals.
I like that. Now we're talking. Alright, we're done.